How to play Killing Floor 2 with friends, Epic Games and Steam. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you will learn how to play Killing Floor 2 with friends, Epic Games and Steam. To play Killing Floor 2 with friends across Epic Games and Steam, follow these steps. Cross-platform compatibility. Killing Floor 2 supports crossplay between Steam and Epic Games, but only through the official in-game friends system, not through Steam or Epic friends list. Step by step, how to play together. 1. Link your account. Launch Killing Floor 2. In the main menu, go to Options and Online. Choose to link your Epic Games account or Steam. Follow the prompts to enable crossplay. 2. Enable crossplay. Still in Options and Online, make sure the crossplay option is enabled. Set matchmaking filters to include crossplay lobbies if needed. 3. Add friends using Killing Floor 2 in game system. Click the Friends button in the top right corner of the main menu. Select Add Friend. Enter the friend's Killing Floor 2 username, not Steam or Epic username. And then, once they accept, they will appear in your in-game friends list. 4. Invite friends. Create a lobby or custom server. In the lobby screen, use the Invite Friends menu to invite them. You can also join your friend's game via their in-game profile. Important notes: voice chat is available, but you may want to use Discord or another external tool for better quality. Mods or custom content might not work well with crossplay. Keep the game original as possible for compatibility. All players must be using the same game version. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to play Killing Floor 2 with friends through Epic Games and Steam. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks.